Tired of your Brazilian wax not lasting as long as you'd like? You're not alone. But what if I told you that a few simple changes to your routine could keep your skin smoother for longer? Stick around because I'm about to reveal the secrets to making your Brazilian wax last longer than ever before. You're not exfoliating before your wax. Dead skin cells can trap hair, making it harder for the wax to remove it completely. Exfoliating ensures a cleaner, smoother wax. You're not using the right products. Post-wax care is essential. Hydrating and soothing products prevent irritation, reduce ingrown hairs, and help your skin heal properly. You're not avoiding heat. Hot showers, saunas, and direct sun exposure can cause redness, irritation, and even make hair regrow faster. Use a gentle scrub. Choose a mild exfoliant designed for sensitive skin to prevent irritation while effectively removing dead skin cells. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water makes your skin more supple, reducing pain during waxing and preventing ingrown hairs. Avoid shaving or tweezing. This can make hair grow back thicker and unevenly, making waxing less effective. Soothing and hydrating. Apply an aloe vera-based cooling gel to calm any redness and irritation. Exfoliate regularly. Gently exfoliate every other day with a soft brush or mild scrub to prevent ingrown hairs. Wear loose clothing. Tight clothing can cause friction, leading to irritation and ingrown hairs. Opt for breathable fabrics like cotton picking or scratching. This can lead to scarring, infections, and ingrown hairs. Hands off ignoring signs of infection. If you notice redness, swelling, or pus, consult a dermatologist immediately. Improper product use. Avoid alcohol-based lotions, harsh soaps, and scented products that can cause irritation. Consider a professional. At-home waxing can be convenient, but professional waxing often provides better, longer-lasting results. Schedule regular wax appointments. Waxing consistently helps weaken hair regrowth over time, making each session more effective. Learn your hair growth cycle. Waxing at the right stage of hair growth ensures the longest-lasting smoothness. Want more expert beauty and skincare tips? Hit that like button, subscribe for weekly health hacks, and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Have any personal waxing tips? Drop them in the comments below. Let's help each other out. See you in the next video.